Vande Mataram children, so today we are here to celebrate one of the most important day in our life, and that is World Food Day, that is celebrated on 16th of October of every year. Yes kids, this day is very much important, right? Kids, you must be thinking that why this day is so much important, right? So today we spread the general awareness of food, that we should not waste food, right? So let us read something deeply about the World Food Day. World Food Day is a day of action against hunger. On October 16, people around the world come together to declare their commitment to eradicate hunger in our lifetime. So kids, on 16th October, people from different countries come together and pledge that we would eradicate the hunger, and each and every child will get food with a nutritionist food, right kids? There are many children who don't get even 2 times of food. Yes. So जब भी आप खाना बचाते हो in your tiffin, your plate, so your teacher and your mama always tell you don't waste the food, because there are so many children who even doesn't get food to eat 2 times. So that is why we tell you जो भी खाना आपको मिलता है eat it completely, and if you can't eat it that much then you should not take it, because there are so many people who are fighting against hunger. Right, there are so many beggars जिनके बच्चे हमें दिखते हैं, दिख रहा है, because they don't get food. So whenever you have some leftover food in your plate or in your tiffin, you should never throw it, but you should give it to the poor people, right? जिनको खाना नहीं मिलता है, आपके वॉचमैन अंकल हो सकते हैं, the garbage picker or the beggars who go and roam on the street, you can give that food to them, but you should never throw it on dustbin, right kids? I hope you all will do that from now. So kids, World Food Day was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 1980 to celebrate the creation of the Food and Agriculture Organization. FAO means Food and Agriculture Organization. So kids, this FAO committee, the Food and Agriculture Organization committee, makes sure that each and every part of the country is getting at least 1 time of meal, and there is no malnutrition kids present in the country. They spread the general awareness that food should not be wasted. We should take food that much only, how much we require. जब birthday parties और शादी होती है, we waste so much food, right kids? But we should not do that. We should take only that much food, and जो wasted food है, we can give it to beggars. As you know, over 150 countries celebrate World Food Day. It means 150 country is the member of and taking initiative steps and taking help from Food and Agriculture Committee to they take the help that how we should minimize the poverty, हम कैसे सारे बच्चों को अच्छे से खाना दे सकते हैं, how we can keep our children healthy and nutritionist. So that is why teacher always tell you not to waste food or not to throw it, right kids? I hope by this video you understand that how important food is. आपको पता है एक राइस ग्रो करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है, right? We see that farmers work so hard in rainy season, in summer season, but when you throw that and when you waste it, then just remember that farmer they मेहनत की है उस राइस ग्रो करने में. So never waste the food. So kids, on 16th October we celebrate World Food Day to spread the general awareness to each and everyone that not to waste food, and you should eat always healthy food. अगर आप जंक फूड खाओगे तो क्या होगा? आपकी आई साइट वीक होगी, you will become dull, you will not be strong, you will become weak, no physical activity, nothing. So that is why mama and teacher always tells you to eat healthy food. Let us make promise today that we will not eat junk food. Only once in a week it is okay, but not every day. We will eat healthy food. Okay kids, so now I have a story for you for healthy food. So let us see the story and celebrate this World Food Day by eating healthy food.